suspended from the team. Joining us now to talk more about this, Anahita Sedaghatfar. She's of counsel to the Cochran law firm. So a misdemeanor charge now, in 7 months after this alleged incident take place, and it's only a misdemeanor. Explain that.
It's a misdemeanor. So the issue is this because this student athlete is getting special treatment like we've seen in some other cases, or is the DA not charging him with a felony yet because he's doing his job and he's waiting to make sure they have enough evidence to charge someone with felony rape? That is a very serious crime. Now, she claims that no, they should have charged him. I did everything right. I went to the authorities. I went to the hospital. I did a rape kit. But the DA is saying, no, this investigation is ongoing. Let us collect evidence. Let us make sure that we have enough proof beyond a reasonable doubt, which is the standard. His ethical duty actually is. He can't file a case unless he can prove it beyond a reasonable doubt, and he's not there yet.
She feels so strongly. She gave a very public statement. You don't always see this with people who say they've been victimized. What do you think of that as an attorney? It's
unique. Now, I'm not quite sure I would have my client do that. She claims she did it to bring attention to the matter, and we talked about the fact that he's been charged with a misdemeanor. She wants him charged with a felony. That's the job of the DA, who's not prepared to do that yet, as I just explained. So what she did is she went to the magistrate judge, and she testified, and the magistrate judge had the authority to issue a misdemeanor warrant based on probable cause. So it's not beyond a reasonable doubt. If he believed that she, talked about a crime being committed, he can issue the misdemeanor warrant, and he only faces 5 months in jail if convicted. She's not happy with that, so she's giving a press conference trying to sort of put pressure on the DA, saying, look, charge him with a felony. This was a rape.
She also says she felt like she was interrogated, almost like she was a suspect, and people are likening this to the Brock Turner case in Stanford. They asked her questions like, what were you wearing? What were you drinking? How many partners have you slept with before? Those kinds of questions when asked about a rape incident.
Okay, I agree that maybe that doesn't sound very well and it didn't rub her the right way, but the reality is these are only allegations at this point. Nothing's been proven, and the job of the investigators is to ask these probing personal questions. They have to get down to the facts. She claims it wasn't fair.
But how many people have you slept with in the past?
Well, does it matter what you were wearing?
We haven't seen the tape yet, so this is just her version of events. So, she's saying I was treated like I was the perpetrator, and then conversely, this athlete, he was treated like he was just a buddy of the investigators, and she felt that was kind of wrong.
And not just police, she's also targeting the school, saying the school was not quick to take action. What's the school doing about this? What's their response?
I have a problem with that as well. So there's two investigations. The police are conducting an investigation, and so is the university. She's also blaming the university for not acting fast enough. Now, in my opinion, I don't think universities and school boards are in a position to conduct criminal investigations. I don't think they're equipped to do that. The guy doesn't get a presumption of innocence. There's no due process rights. He doesn't get to confront his accuser. I think it's best left for the authorities to handle these matters because, again, this is a serious, serious crime of rape. And do we want school boards making that determination? I don't think so.
Turn it over to the authorities and prosecutors.
Yeah.
Right. Anahita, thanks so much.
Thank you for having me.
We'll be right back.